All right, you guys, so we are back with the dressing. So remember I told you how the turkey necks, the turkey gizzards, and the chicken gizzards rather was a big part of the dressing. So now that that's done, I got it from out of all that the turkey juices. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix this stuff up. Now once it's mixed up, you're gonna go ahead and put it on the oven. It's a wing from the turkey. I tell you, this turkey is so tender until I got the wing in here and the bone. That's the leg bone. I said that turkey good. So this is really, really hot because, like I said, I just got it out the just poured this stuff over in it. Now, a lot of people think dressing is just that bootleg stove top and just cornbread. No, dressing is an art. You have to take time and love and dedication for your dressing to turn out scrumptious, like Rena May. Okay, now this is time and dedication. Now when we say cornbread, you have to make the cornbread from scratch in order for it to have that dressing flavor. You use that Jiffy corn mix and all that other stuff, it's not gonna taste good. It's gonna taste just like cornbread because it is cornbread. Now on another note, I will probably for Christmas show you guys, walk you guys step by step on how to make dressing. But for right now this year, I'm just trying to get it done. So we're going to continue to put a little bit more bells over in it. Now remember I told you bells is an important ingredient for your dressing. You got to have bells. You don't have bells, it's not going to taste right. I'm going to put a little bit of sage. And we're going to mix it. Now I'm waiting for this to cool down because how my mama did her dressing, she used her hands. Make sure all that meat and stuff, get all them bones and stuff out of there. So basically that's what I'm doing. So I'm making sure these chicken gizzards and the hearts and stuff and the meat and stuff is distributed evenly throughout the dressing. Like I said, this stuff is hot. Now once you get all your meat, all the bones and stuff out of your dressing, you're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes on 375, so it can go ahead and get that wholeness back together of the bread. All right, you guys, we'll be back when it's finished.